Any mention?
Please, my lord. My lord,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 3, my lord.
Number 3?
Yes, my lord. I pray that this matter may come up after the vacation, my
Number
lord.
3 is which one?
Council of Nogmas, my lord.
Yes, Mr. General.
3 and 4 are connected matter, and they have
Where
challenged
Mr.
the
E.G. Moment?
My lord, A. Siddiqui is indisposed, my lord.
Okay. Yes, at the request of the...
Mr. Aso is also there in one of the matter.
Item number 4, Your Lordship.
you want to do the matter?
Lordship, I'll bring for some time to file rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Joined her to what? 2 hour affidavit, my lord. Right, take down on item number 3. Mr. Sorry, your name?
A. Sangma, my lord.
A.A. Sangma, na?
Yes, my lord.
A.A. Sangma on behalf of Mr. A. Siddiqui. Praise that the matter of vacations as the senior argument. No, that's how it. Praise me on behalf of Mr. A. Siddiqui that the senior counsel was even disposed for adjournment at number 3. Prayer list this matter after vacations. Yes. Item number 4. MS Karma praise that to file joined the affidavit filed by the GHATC praise allowed this together with C492 2020 after vacations.
Grateful, my lord.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
May please Lordship, if it comes end of the board, because my colleague, he is with the file.
At the end of the board now.
Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, we are...
Will you issue notice?
Okay, Lordship.
Another thing, we have some serious objections, observations with regard to your petition. Have you seen the manner it's typed? We have equipment rejected. Have you read the High Court rules about how many lines are to be in a paragraph in one page? Have you noticed how you've typed it? This in the entire appeal. I forgot to tell you this. Look at this. You've crammed in, I think, how many lines into one page? You've seen the way judgments are typed in the High Court also.
Lordship.
You find them cramped like this in one page. You have to refile this one. You take out the High Court rules. I give the High Court rules to her. You see how many lines are written in the paragraph.
30
High Court
lines,
rules are
Lordship.
copy.
Lordship, 30 lines, Lordship.
Then how many lines are here in this page? Although you allowed on both sides. Look at this. And please come to your certificate.
Lordship,
Please come to your certificate. The certificate in the memo of appeal.
Lordship, I am little bit handicapped. The file is with my
You
colleague.
kindly have a look. Whose signature is this one? Yes. Certificates to be by whom?
By the council, Lordship.
Then you recast it as the writ appeal memo is not in proper form, including the certificate. This court's constrained to dismiss the same. You want to withdraw it?
Lordship, with continuation delay, Lordship, because I am already out of time, Lordship. Because if
We'll consider it at that time. You should be more mindful to at least have the memo appeal in correct format. That is courtesy and respect to the not only to the but to the entire institution. If this prescription is such, then you have to adhere to it. You can't have this kind of memo appeal. How will you correct it?
Lordship, I'll just
Yes, we dismiss it. We'll give you liberty to file afresh. Yes.
Lordship, that time may be condoned, Lordship.
When you file that time, you make
Lordship,
it.
by this week only we will file,
Then
Lordship.
you withdraw it.
I'll with liberty to file a fresh
Of course.
lordship and lordship that condonation the time
No,
of
that
the
will come later. But that time when you file it again, we will. It is because it's not that you have not approached the court right time, but the format is incorrect.
lordship.
MS P. Shaji praised as there are some defects in the memo of appeal. Praised that he may be allowed to withdraw the same with liberty to file afresh. Stop. The writ appeal as stands closed on withdrawal. However, liberty as prayed. Yes. We can't allow this. You can't just. Lawyers have to have some standard with regard to how the petitions are presented also.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, here I am representing the respondent number 8, Lordship. I have filed my objection. What I pray, Lordship. So I pray for next week, Lordship,
Pray for?
to hear the leave application,
Hear
Lordship.
it now.
Leave.
And today appearance on behalf of respondent number 7, Your Lordship.
Number?
Respondent number 7.
Who's respondent number 7?
She's a private respondent, my lord.
That is the fight between the respondent number 8 and the respondent number 7, Lordship.
The fight between you two.
Yes, Lordship.
In the original
the
writ proceeding, the challenge was between 8 and 7.
Eight and 7.
Well, the cause title is at page 2 and 3.
You are Olida Sheikh. Then we'll have to have it some other date then.
I don't suppose, my lord, that the respondent number 7 has any.
Time to seek instruction, Your Lordship. I pray for some time to seek instruction.
But you already appeared, so you must be under instructions to appear at least.
From the parties, Your Lordship.
Yes, they are actually unsuccessful in the writ petition. The writ petition is respondent number 8. My lord.
MS P. Karma has entered appearance today on behalf of the respondent number 7. As such, notice complete all respondents. Stop. However, praise if you have some time to examine the matter and to seek further instructions. Prayers allowed. Stop. This is the miss case, correct?
Yes,
My lord.
And then next para, Ms. S.E. Sheikh, Merit Counsel submits that the objection to leave application since been filed. Stop. As it's next para, as one of the suggested appearance, this is the matter for. This is for division hearing, or it is for for hearing
For
this
orders,
case
my lord.
after vacation. Yes.
After vacation, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
Hearing, item number 2.
I didn't know to. Yes.
This matter, my lord, the issue which was before the Honorable Apex Court, my lord,
It's finished.
is the judgment is delivered, my lord, and my lord,
When was the judgment delivered?
it was in the month of November, my lord, 20th.
You
I'm
have a copy of the same.
I'm praying, my lord, this matter could be fixed next week so that we can place the judgment, my lord.
You just look for it, Dr. Mozika. I was not aware. It's informed by the councils that the matter before the Supreme Court has since been disposed of. They pray and allowed to place a copy of the judgment on the next date.
We can have it next week, my lord.
I'll call
subject
this matter after 1 week. Yes. All right.
Was the citizen's
Any mention?
Well, item number 25, my lord. For the petitioner, I have taken consent from the respondent, my lord. It come after vacation, my lord.
One second. Yes.
Item number 25, my lord.
Yes. Sorry.
Yeah, I have taken consent from the respondent.
25.
25, my lord.
No objection, Your Lordship.
After vacation, my lord.
Yes.
Hello, my lord.
Yes.
May it please Lordship. Lordship, item number 19.
Number?
Here 19. Here Lordship, some of the petitioners have died, Lordship. So the family members are yet to get the death certificate, Lordship. This is the pension matter, Lordship.
Giving 67 others is against what this
District Council. Jayanti Hills District Council, Your Lordship.
Jayanti Hills.
Jayanti Hills, Lordship.
They've only died without getting pension.
No, Lordship, that is why we want to bring out record to the Honorable Court, Lordship.
Immediately, some of them have died without getting pension.
Till December 2023, they have received the pension, Lordship.
That's all right.
They are not getting the regular pension as of now. And item number 20 also connected, Lordship.
Praise the Madhavti of the application as some of the petitioners have died and the queries were suited. Yes, praise the Lord, this applications. Yes.
Item number 20 is connected, Lordship. This is content.
20.
Mass.
Apply, Your Lord.
May it please Lordship, I'd like to mention item 24.
34.
Your Lordship, it's a joint prayer.
24, my lord.
34 is it?
24. Your Lordship, I pray that the matter may be listed after vacation, Your Lordship.
All adjournments, 80% will go after vacation now, yes? Okay. After vacations, request of the council, yes. Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 26, my lord. I need this matter to be taken after vacation.
26.
My lord.
No objection, my lord.
Very happy, there's not being taken up.
My lord, after vacation.
Yes, similar prayer for item number 23 as well, my lord. After vacation.
23 also.
My lord, 21, 22 will be connected with 23, my lord.
Yeah, 21, 20.
Okay, yes, Matt 21 to 23 after vacation on the prayer of the council for the parties.
After vacation. Apply, Your Lord.
Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 18.
Yes, MS Argurung, no objection.
No objection, Lordship.
After vacations. Yes.
Much
Deeply
obliged.
All it matters, 22 matters, then they won't be, after vacation, they won't be before the bench anymore. Yes.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
The justice service was affected, my lord, and the
You serve them.
yes, my lord.
Lordship, I don't know, my lord. If it's going to take on after some time, because those Lordship may want to see those regulation and all. These are with my law officer. My lord, she's on the way, my lord. After some time.
You can't consider this boy and just
the
because of illness.
rules are very clear.
70% attendance, 60% he has, but is there no provision for condemnation?
Well, I'll just take your Lordship. If your Lordship comes to page 25 of the
Writ petition.
writ petition, my lord. This is the Bar Council rules, my lord.
Minimum.
My lord, that rule 12, my lord.
Yes.
No student of any of the degree program shall be allowed to take the end semester test in a subject if the student concerned has not attended minimum of 70% of the classes held in the subject concerned, as also the moot court room exercises, tutorials and practical training conducted in the subject taken together. Now, relaxation power is the next one, my lord. Provided that if a student for any exceptional reasons fail to attend 70% of the classes held in any subject, the dean of the university or the principal of the center of legal education, as the case may be, may allow the student to take the test if the student concerned attended at least 65% of the classes held in the subject concerned and attended 70% of classes in all the subjects taken together. The similar power shall rest with the Vice Chancellor or Director of a National Law University. Or similar, in any particular subject, if there is some good reason shown and 65% attendance is there, then it can be relaxed. But aggregate 70% relaxation, 70%
mandatory.
Attendance is mandatory.
There's no scope with the college to.
No discussion.
Oh, there is, my lord. 55, but I don't want to, my case is not pleading of biasness, my lord. 54.
Not pleading of biasness.
Yes, 54.
Pleading for consideration.
Yes, my lord. As a mercy petition, my lord, here. 6 months is it's a long time, my lord. And here, my lord, the student concerned, my lord, he has no back paper, my lord. This is the 5th semester, is the first one, my lord. Surprisingly, a student.
5th semester now, he's in LLB 5-year course, correct?
5th semester, my lord. There's one more semester, there will be 6th.
Oh, is it a 3-year course or 5-year course?
This is the 3rd year, my lord.
It's 3-year course?
3 years course, my lord. So he's the final.
Then go on extra semester, repeat it.
My lord, that is the reason, my lord.
Then that doesn't matter. You can't help it. If we are bound by these are,
and my lord, there is ample power. My lord, on exceptional cases, my lord, there is an ample power, my lord.
Show the power.
My lord, here what it says, my lord.
See what the senior council has shown. That is the proviso which allows, it's limited to that. Subject to correction, of course. If there's any other provision over and above this, we will examine. Yes.
So, my lord, kindly have, may I read, my lord? No student of any degree program shall be allowed to take the end semester test in a subject if the student concerned has not attended a minimum of 70% of classes held in subject concern as the moot court room tutorials practical conducted in the subject taken together.
Yes.
Together. 70% together. Now, my lord, proviso says, provided that if the student of any exceptional reasons fail to attend 70% of the classes held in any subject, the dean of the university or the principal of the Central of Legal Education, as the case may be, may allow the student to take the test if the student concerned attended at least 65% of the classes held in the subject concerned and attended 70% of the classes in all the subject taken. Now, up there also it says 70%, my lord.
So
in all the subject.
That means it has no meaning.
It has no meaning. Now, down there also proviso says a 70% you have to attend. So where is the proviso, or where is the point of giving proviso for concession, my lord?
You said that you submitted that there's a provision for condemnation. Where's that?
This is the proviso, provided.
This rule has to be challenged.
Have you challenged it?
No, this rule has not been challenged, my lord. But my lord, humbly, my lord, I would state that, my lord, here what we are concerned is, my lord, here the reason they shown by the student, my lord, he has gone surgery, my lord. There's a gallbladder. He was admitted in the hospital, my lord, for about 10-15 days, my lord.
See, whatever it is, Mr. Yubin, we understand and perfectly, feel what the student's going through. But then it's not a question that is a dead end, correct? Now, if he can't do it now, he can just recover nicely and do it again.
My lord, he is recovered. He is willing.
Semesters next year.
My lord, that is the problem, my lord.
Now his 5th semester will be good. Now he studies 6th semester. He'll finish. They'll have another plus semester to study nicely for his 5th semester repeat.
My lord, because that will be without, my lord, the sickness was beyond my control, my lord.
Of course, but then what can we do?
All I can do is, my lord.
Is any scope for university in affiliated college? So it's within their purview.
And suppose tomorrow if they send it also, where is our power? Our requirement is this. No, we cannot waive it. So far might not post it.
Mr. Yubin, can you show show something which shows that there's been some relaxation or any other provision here in this rules of legal education?
My lord, all this proviso, my lord, that provided is like 60% attendance he has, my lord. And if my lord will see that the attendances that he has done, like in the month of...
college is bound also.
Yes, my lord.
So anyway.
But this can, my lord, it totally lies at the discretion, my lord, because this proviso is not a shall, my lord. It's not compulsory. It's still there is a scope for the principal to relax, my lord.
Mr. Yubin Mark present in those days, he didn't go to college.
My lord, it says provided that if a student, for any exceptional reasons, my lord, a person, my lord, a person who gets hospitalized on an operation.
Proviso works two ways. 70% across the board, 70% in any subject.
Yes.
But the thing is that also and I will not say anything about this rule. But this says 65% of class held in subject concern, and at 70% class in all subjects taken together. So if you attended 100% in one subject, they take the average. Okay.
My lord.
Suppose they take the average. Suppose in certain subject A, you've attended 80%. Subject B attended 90%. Subject C, like paper C attended around 50%. Then the other taken together, if you cross 70, yes, and what you have to cross is 65 in every particular subject. That's all. So in any subject, you should not go below 65.
My lord, there are.
That's what this rule means.
Yes, my lord.
Like in one subject, in one paper, you can attend 65%. That's below the requirement. But if taken together with other classes you attended in the other papers, it comes to 70%. Then well and good. That's all.
My lord, this proviso does not provide to what extent, my lord, to the limit of the limit, my lord. Maybe 5% concession, 10% concession.
This rule is made with a purpose.
My lord. Therefore, my lord. Yes.
Students,
yes,
like stay in the classroom.
Yeah, my lord, that is right, my lord. But there are other universities, my lord, where there are concessions like 5%, 10%, my lord. This rule does not say so, my lord. You can only condone up to 10%, my lord. No, but what I mean to say is, my lord, the discretion lies with the principal, my lord.
Show that. Where is it?
My lord, there is. Kindly look at this one. Kindly appreciate, my lord. There is no percentage set, my lord. To what extent only? The upper limit, to what extent upper limit you can condone, my lord, is not shown. Therefore, my lord, it only says that exceptional reasons, my lord. A person gets hospitalized, gets operation, my lord. What more exceptional reasons can
exceptional reasons given is that, look, yes. I don't argue with you.
My lord.
You're a seasoned counsel, you read the proviso.
My lord.
Understand what it means? In every subject, you have to get 70%.
My
For
lord.
some reasons you can't, it has to be 65%. But the overall attendance should be 70% across
my
the
department.
board,
My department from the exam is also, my lord, not an allegation that I do not have that percentage in the individual. It's an aggregate where I'm supposed to get 70%, I got 60%.
Okay. Which papers have you? Where's the paper by paper?
My lord, kindly look at page 50, my lord.
Where paper by paper attendance you've given percentage?
Page 50. I'm sorry. Where was that?
Page 50 is a medical.
I'm sorry. I'll just take to my lord. Where was that page? Just a second. Page 63, my lord. Page 63. Page 63, serial number 50, my lord. That is at page 64, my lord.
How many days was he advised rest by the doctors? If you look at that way, how many days was he advised bed rest?
My lord, I was 10 days hospital. First in the civil hospital, my lord. Okay, and thereafter, my lord, super care hospital where I went to surgery, my lord. And about 10 days I was in the hospital. After the surgery, my lord, there was about 10-15 days, my lord, I was still
around
not
20
well.
days you're out.
Around 20 days, my lord. And can you look at this, my lord, 50, overall, my lord, 60% attendance at the
page?
Page 64, my lord. Page 64. Page 64, 50, serial number 50 is my name, my lord, Bamang Nabam. Then, my lord, the last two column, my lord.
1 second. Yes.
60%, my lord, and not eligible.
Yes.
60%.
Not eligible.
So 60% not eligible. Now, if you
see 1 second.
Yes.
In August, out of 76 days.
Yes.
You went on 28.
28 days.
That
and the
was
next
time
day, 62. I'm sorry.
August, where were you in August?
No, my lord, August.
Show the documents for August that you were hospitalized.
No, August I was not hospitalized, but I was off and on, my lord, on my sickness,
Then
my lord.
why do you go only 28 days to class?
Yes, my lord. I could attend only 28 days of the lecture. Can you look at that the next September, my lord?
September, fine.
62,
classes,
60. 60.
Then you, again in October,
63,
2 days.
62,
I
my
can
lord.
understand November 10 days because you went only for 10 days.
Yes, my lord.
19 days because you were hospitalized.
Yes.
But what happened in August?
August, my lord, I bowed down, my lord. I have no documents to show,
You're
but
keeping off.
the fact was that, my lord, I was off and on by pain, my lord.
Yes.
But the
Take
the
down.
proviso, my lord, my lord, the proviso does not say so, my lord. There's certain limits, my lord.
You challenge the
it's-
proviso.
if they say that it's a 50%, a 10% condonation, I understand, my lord. I have no case.
He's
But
from-
here the discretion
he's
is
from
there.
Kurung Valley.
I'm sorry, Kurungkumai, my lord. He's a student from
All
Arunachal,
from there come here.
my lord, to study law, my lord. That is the reason, my lord. And
Inaccessible, yes.
surprisingly, my lord, he is one of the most sincere student from Arunachal.
We don't
Yes,
doubt
he has never have any back papers, my lord.
Yes. You've tried, you're bound by rules, but yes, sir.
My lord, the rules does not say so, my lord. You can only condone up to 5%, my lord.
The
10%
petitioner-
condonation it's not beyond the control of the principal, my lord.
Petitioner, write it down, was stated to be a student in the 5th semester, correct?
Yes, my lord.
In the Shillong Law College, is before this court seeking interference by invoking powers under Article 26 Constitution to condone the shortfall in attendance for which he has been held ineligible by the college to take the end semester exams back at 5th semester. Stop. Next paragraph. Mr. P. Yobin Leonard Counsel Petitioner has submitted that the failure of the petitioner student to meet the required attendance was because of a legitimate reason, that is his medical condition, for which he had an operation also.
Yes, my lord. He had an
for which
operation.
He had undergone operation. In which month?
My lord, in the month of November, my lord.
November 2024, to which the medical certificates and other details have been annexed to the writ petition. Stop. He praised that the reason being genuine and a student who is an exceptional student without a back paper be given some consideration under the directions of this court to enable him to sit for the 5th semester exams. Stop. Next by Ms. S. Chagwati, learned senior counsel, with entered appearance on behalf of the respondent before, that is Principal Shillong Law College, has submitted that though the case of the petitioner may be genuine, however, the college is bound by the rules of legal education 2008, where with regard to end semester tests, the proviso for condonation is only to the extent of 65% for a particular subject and 70% overall attendance. Stop. He submits that the petitioner, having attended only 60% of all the classes, therefore, as per the rule, cannot be held to be eligible to take the examinations. Next para, Mr. S. Sen, appearing for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, bracket university, has submitted that the college, being affiliated college, the matter of condonation or any consideration is strictly within its purview, and only if such situations allowed, then the control examinations will allow the, then the student can sit for the examinations. I heard learned counsel of the parties also peruse the materials on record. Stop. The issue in question revolves around Rule 12. The issue in question the issue of attendance, shortfall attendance for taking end semester tests is contained in Rule 12 of the Rules of Legal Aviation 2008, which for the sake of convenience is reproduced herein below. Stop. Next paragraph. A perusal of the same would show that for a student who fails to attend 70% of the classes held in any subject, the dean or the principal may allow the student to take the test if the student concerned attended at least 65% of the classes held in the subject concerned and attended 70% of classes in all the subjects taken together. Stop. The undisputed fact in the instant case being that the student has only obtained 60% attendance, therefore, by operation of the said rule will render him ineligible. Stop. Next paragraph. Though this court understands the predicament that the student is facing, but however, due to the mandate of law, no relief can be forthcoming. Further, as will not coming, we just ended there. For this above stated next one, for obvious reasons, this petition is the prayer cannot be allowed, and the petition can be closed in this post office.
Obliged, Lordship.
Let him take this again.
My lord.
Everyone should do it before.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Yes.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
You're waiting for the petitioner?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here the petitioner is aggrieved with the non-compliance of the order dated 01/12/2022, Your Lordship. 22, Your Lordship. What happened in this matter, Your Lordship? The petitioner had approached this honourable court. Page 11, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The petitioner had approached this honourable court being aggrieved with the non-regularization of his post, Your Lordship. The writ petition was allowed by this honourable court, Your Lordship, by this order dated 1/12/2022. Your Lordship, aggrieved therewith, the respondents have preferred an appeal, Your Lordship, which was dismissed by order dated 8/12/2023, Your Lordship, which is at page 23.
Yes.
Your Lordship, however, till date, Your Lordship, the respondents have not complied with the directions of this honourable court, Your Lordship.
Heard. Can we issue notice returnable in 2 weeks? Steps are taken in 3 days. This is accordingly and so and so.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Daily list, item number 1.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this matter pertains to claim of family pension by the petitioner who is an unmarried daughter, Your Lordship.
Petitioner is a?
Unmarried daughter.
Yes.
Your Lordship, whatever documents asked by the office of the respondents, whatever steps, that has been complied with, Your Lordship. However, till date, the family pension has not been processed.
When did the employee die?
The employee in 1988, thereafter the wife was in receipt of family pension.
Her mother?
Yes, her mother. And then on the
Till?
death of her mother, 2018. Then
18.
2019, she approached the
Where's the
office.
application? after 18, where is it?
After 18, Your
Nilma
Lordship.
Bhattacharjee is your mother.
Yes, Nilima Bhattacharjee. I
So
am
you're
Nidhi
working in Accountant
Bhattacharjee.
General's office only?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yeah. Where's the application after your mother's
Application
death?
is not there, Your Lordship, but then various communications, Your Lordship, you'll see from the office. There's also a legal notice, Your Lordship, which was served to the office. Your Lordship, if I may take Your Lordship to page 26.
Yes.
Page 27, Your Lordship, sorry.
What about this 26?
All those documents have been complied with, Your Lordship.
Discrepancies? 27?
27 also, they've asked for the same thing. We've complied with. Thereafter, page 29, Your Lordship. What they are saying is that because they do not have the PPO with them, and so they've directed the branch manager of United Bank of India to send the PPO.
Then what happened to...
Then page 33, Your Lordship.
You sent it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. MS Pasa.
Lordship, I'll take instruction, Your Lordship.
It's heard MS CB. Savian Bial petitioner issue notice. MS Pasa has present access notice on behalf of all the respondents.
Your Lordship.
No further notice required. This is the matter after 3 weeks for instructions and affidavits.
Item number 2.
It's fixed for filing rejoinder, my lord. So, my lord,
For filing hearing?
Rejoinder,
fixed for rejoinder, my lord.
Don't do file rejoinder anymore.
My lord, I'm praying if this matter can be fixed for hearing.
How many times you've taken?
My lord, 2 times, 2 occasions.
Okay, this is the matter for hearing. Petitioner permitted to file rejoinder.
In the meantime,
in the
file.
meanwhile.
Thank you, blessed.
Item number 3.
Lordship, I seek
Yes.
2 weeks' time to file rejoinder.
Is the Dr. Todi is appearing here?
Yes.
When, how many times you sought for
Lordship,
rejoinder?
they filed an affidavit on the 20th of November.
Okay, MSS Sham prays for allowed 3 weeks time for rejoinder, listed after and so on. So.
Right, right.
Item number 4.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, I pray for 2 weeks' time, Lordship, to file an affidavit, Your Lordship.
Oh, the first matter.
Yes, Lordship.
For the 3 weeks time as prayed. Allowed.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes, thereafter and so on. So.
Item number 5.
Your Lordship, the petitioner will be coming today, Your Lordship, to sign the rejoinder.
So what should we do? Welcome him also?
Filing it in the course of the week, Your Lordship.
Okay. Yes. Mr. Passenger submits that after be filed in course of the day. Rejoinder will file in course of the day. This is
Item
a
number
matter for
6.
hearing. Yes, initial report.
6.
Lordship, for respondent number 2, we have received affidavit. We will be filing rejoinder, Lordship. 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
To respond number 1, you filed rejoinder?
1 filed, 3
One
filed.
filed.
1 filed, 3 filed.
I am appearing for respondent number 1, my lord. On the last occasion, the petitioner has filed their rejoinder affidavit. I need to take some instruction because they have annexed one letter in their rejoinder affidavit, my lord. So,
Okay, but anyway, let her take, she's once for rejoinder to
Yes.
Mr. Marpan's.
No, please, Your Lordship, I would like to submit, Your Lordship. In their prayer of the writ petition, the prayer number 2 is with regard to disclosing the amount which is lying in the bank account. Our affidavit has answered that prayer. So, with regard to prayer number 2, which is seeking, has already been answered in
Let
the-
us have it all together, let them, then we'll dispose of it. We can't do piecemeal, yes. MS P. Bhattacharjee prays that we allowed to file rejoinder to the affidavit files 1 but 2. Mr. Pida has also apprised, has also sought time to obtain instructions on the rejoinder filed by the petitioner. And this is matter of verifications for further orders and for rejoinder to respond number 2 and for further orders.
after vacation, my lord, After vacation.
7.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship.
Yes. Have you filed affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Did not receive a copy, Your Lordship.
I'll provide them the copy, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I pray that this matter may come up for hearing on the next date.
Office note indicates that affidavit on behalf of number respondent of since been filed. As such, matter is ripe for hearing. This is the same for hearing after vacations.
Highly obliged.
Item number 8.
State is yet to file their respond, my lord.
Who's away for the state? State? Who's away for the state?
My Lord, state is 1 to 7. I represent state respondents, my Lord. My Lord,
You will be filing?
My Lord, we will be filing. We have received certain instruction also which we need clarification of department, because, my Lord, what happened here is that some compensation has been given, and some of them here 10 petitions are before Lordship, and they're
land compensation.
my Lord, yes, widening of the road, my Lord, in Garo Dalu. Garo Hills, my Lord. This NH 51, my Lord. So, my Lord, we have been given instruction in, my Lord, not in a proper way. We need clarification. Some of their land falls in the ROW also, so they may not be entitled, my Lord, as per our verification. So we'll
file an affidavit, my lord.
We'll file an affidavit, my Lord.
I've seen that happening because I've been to Garo Hills. So they're widening the road and a lot of protest banners have been put up there. Yes, anyway.
1 to 7, my Lord. I'm praying for time.
MS Arconi, we have 1 to 7 please funds allowed further time to obtain further instructions and to file affidavit.
Lordship, I'm appearing for response.
9. What about 8 and 10?
8 and 10, Your Lordship. We'll take some more time, Lordship.
Yes, MS Argurung for 8 and 10. You also?
11, Your Lordship.
And MS Arcayung for 9. Please also have some prayer according to this matter of vacations for affidavits by respective respondents. Yes.
Item number 9.
This is that matter, my lord, which was sought to be mentioned yesterday, but
Yes, tomorrow.
we can have it on, my lord, praying for fixing it on, having it on Thursday, my lord. Because it's not available today and tomorrow.
Thursday will
2
be-
days. 2 days.
Third.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Today, Thursday.
yes.
Thursday, I will be in bit tight because my flight is at 4 o'clock. So, but if my friend can finish in the morning,
We can make an endeavor, my lord.
I'll only take the matters dead and done. Done and done, correct? Yes, at the request of Mr. S. Papa, on behalf of Mr. K. Paul, our counsel, this is matter on Thursday as the first item in the order column.
grateful. Grateful.
Item number 10.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, in this matter also, Lordship, I pray for some more time, Lordship.
You have objection?
Yes, Your Honor, if it's a short time, Your Honor.
Yes?
1 week's, last 1 week's time, Your
What
Honor.
is not going to happen now? For the 1 week's time as praise allowed.
Your Lordship, 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, 1 week.
K. Gurung, okay, 2 weeks to file affidavit.
Your Lordship,
11.
Similar prayer for item number 11 and 12 as well, Your Lordship. Much obliged, Lordship.
13.
Lordship, I'm praying for a week's time in this matter, Lordship.
Fresh matter?
Yes, Lordship.
When is it filed?
October 17, Lordship.
What's the matter about pension?
Yes, Lordship.
Regularization. Regularization.
Pension or regularization?
Regularization.
And pension?
And pension.
What was he working as?
He was working as a peon.
When did he retire?
31st/05/2021. Lordship.
So he was not regularized. Which department?
PWD department, Lordship.
Why you not file affidavit?
Just a week's time, Lordship.
13/11. Let's move on. 27/10. Mr. E.B. Khan is allowed for the 1 week's time for affidavit. Similar prayers made by Ms. B. Pasa for respondent number
5, yeah, 5.
5, Your Lordship.
5. Prayer allowed. Just after 1 week for affidavit. Yes.
14.
At least if it can be done, then in the vacations they can settle it. We can pass some directions. And so.
We'll file it in 1 week.
Because if he's been working for his life, then there's no reason that he won't be regularized. Yes. Yes.
14.
Lordship, in this matter, we need some more time, Your Lordship.
It's also pension.
Regularize and pension?
He has been regularized, Your Lordship.
Now what about his other benefits?
Lordship, there is a police that will follow, Your Lordship. Now they want a regularization in another post, Your Lordship, which cannot be, Your Lordship.
Mr. Anishulai, 424 praise for allowed further 2 weeks' time to file. After you also, the same prayer made by MSE Pasa, prayers allowed after vacations.
Apply, Your Lordship.
15. Lordship, affidavit of service has already been filed.
5 to 7, who's appearing? You are appearing?
On behalf of the respondent number 5, Your Lordship.
What about 6 and 7? Who's 6 and 7?
Nobody has entered.
1, 2, 4, 5. You're 5.
5, Your Lordship.
1 second.
Done.
6 to 7 is Darbar.
Yes.
They've been served.
Yes.
It's submitted that today, Mr. Basanti was as a parent today on behalf of respondent number 5. Regard to respondents number 6 and 7, it is submitted by legal counsel of the petitioner that the said respondents have since been served. Have you filed affidavit indicating service?
Yes.
And affidavit indicating service has also been filed. As such, notice is complete all respondents. However, there's no appearance on behalf of respondents 6 and 7. You'll file affidavit?
No, my lord. We will be filing. We have not filed yet.
Yes, you'll be filing. Yes, MSR Kuni 124. And you?
I'll seek instructions, Your Lordship.
For 5, pray for allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Yes, this after 3 weeks for affidavit for appearance of respondents number 6 and 7. Yes.
16.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for some time to file my affidavit in this matter.
This pension?
Family pension, Lordship.
But just first time, second time has come.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Further 3 weeks time as prayed allowed to the respondents to file affidavit. This thereafter also.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
17.
Maybe please, Your Lordship, before my colleagues study.
Yes.
I filed an objection for the interim, and apart from that, information received that on 8th November, the government of Meghalaya issued an instruction that management 13 seats were given, state, they have taken back. They cancelled the 13 seats. So since they cancelled the 36, we have complied with. So those respondent number 9, 10, 11, 12, they're also out. So no cause of action survived. However, the petitioner in waiting list number 15, means number 2.
Yes.
If Your Lordship is pleased to come
Yes,
to
please,
first.
this one you filed just now.
If Your Lordship
Filed
that
by the state. Where's the state?
State. 9 November letter, if Your Lordship, by the government given to us, Commissioner Secretary.
1 second, where's the affidavit? Didahar.
No, affidavit
which
by
one filed by you? Which one?
Yes.
They have only filed an objection, not an affidavit.
No, the objection only we have filed.
What is this case?
No, this latest development, apart from that, Your Lordship.
Affidavits here, just today, place today.
Yes. The affidavit, and that is an objection we have filed for the interim.
1 second, just let the report be clear.
As per the order dated 26 November, Your Lordship's order.
3 to 5 is state.
Yes.
Okay. 1 and 2 is
Union of India and NMC. Yes.
And 6 is you.
6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8. This is by 6, 7, 8.
Yes, this is the one objection we have filed on as per order date 26 November 24.
Yes.
And
Which page?
there we have stated that your lordship, so
No, which page of this objection? We didn't write objection on behalf of so and so, that's why.
Yes.
Just a proposed interim order. Yes.
yes,
Yes.
there your lordship,
Page?
if your lordship comes, Annexure 1, your lordship, I'm sorry,
Of
page
this affidavit, of
yes,
objection?
objection, 38 October 2024.
30th October.
Yes, because on 31st October supposed to appear by the petitioner, did not appear. Then candidate unable to attend may report the controller or admission PA Sama International Medical College, USTM, Boridua on or before 2nd November. Then also she didn't appear.
On second she didn't appear.
Didn't appear. So that is the problem. Then your lordship, we have intimated to the government also, since in the stipulated time the candidate didn't appear, your lordship.
Yes.
Therefore, the next one got that. However, whoever got also, your lordship has gone due to a government order. I have given next page, another page, your lordship. Today I received that. On 8th November, 8th November order was issued. Then 9th November we have received it. The order dated 9th November. I have given extra page here, your lordship.
It's not here.
No, not that. Just today morning I got it, your lordship. I'm so sorry. 9 November 2024, your lordship, the Commissioner and Secretary Government of Meghalaya Health and Welfare Department issued. Your lordship can turn to the next page, column 11.
Yes.
11. In the light of the above, requests made by you in your representation dated 8/11/24 referred above as is rejected by the state government, and you are directed to immediately comply with the order issued by the Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, by so-and-so dated 8 November so-and-so. In following terms, the USTM PIMC is required to immediately cancel the admission made by you on 13 MBBS seat, 11 reserved for Garu category and 2 reserved for OST category in session so-and-so, and refund the fee and other amount collected from all 13 MBBS students. 2, clause 2, USTM so-and-so is required to immediately grant admission to 13 eligible candidates in order of merit from the list annex with the order issued by the Health and so-and-so on 8 November so-and-so. That means the state quota has taken the remaining 13. As soon as taken, then next we have complied with, by 12 November we have intimated, your lordship, the next letter, first page, second page, the petitioner in number 15, your lordship, waiting list.
Yes.
Because 13 already
This is
filled
a
up.
state list.
Yes.
State quota, okay.
13 already filled up. Above her, 14 number is there, Judea Kongla, below that says there, your lordship. Then, in the next page we have complied with, your lordship will see, 14 November, as per the last paragraph, a total number of 13 students were admitted, out of which 12 students were from merit list and 1 student from waiting list. As candidate in serial number 12 in the merit list is not interested in taking admission in PNC as per email to so-and-so. So now next turn is the petitioner term for the waiting. If anyone doesn't take, then she may get a chance. So this here doesn't survive, your lordship.
These documents are not on record.
Not on record, but
just
You file an affidavit by today. You need to come Monday.
Lordship, only one thing I would like to apprise this Honourable Court, your Lordship. Lordship will kindly remember that there are 150 seats which has been advertised.
Yes. 64, as per the 64.
63 is for the management quota.
Yes.
64 is
For the
state
state.
quota, your Lordship.
Yes.
And 93 is for NRI. Now, the 63 from the management quota, your Lordship, was filled up. And thereafter, your Lordship, when it came to the state quota, your Lordship, 26 were filled by Khasi Jaintia. 26, which is reserved for Garos, your Lordship, only 11 could be filled up and 13 were still available. 13 were filled up and 11 were still available.
Yeah.
And under OST, your Lordship, again 2. So those 13 seats fell vacant. Now, that Lordship, the PIMC, that is the college, your Lordship, they have filled up from the management quota.
But have been cancelled now.
Cancelled.
That is what they say, your Lordship.
What is in document?
No, I'm coming to that, Your Lordship. That is supposed to be cancelled, Your Lordship.
It's cancelled. Yeah.
First of all, Your Lordship, if I'm permitted to take Your Lordship to that document where those the admissions were made as per the management quota, Your Lordship.
But that is not contention anymore.
It is a contention, Your Lordship. Because what is actually happening on the ground, Your Lordship, with the document which they have filed now, if Your Lordship is pleased to see, which has come in the affidavit, they claim that 13 has now been admitted.
Yes.
That what my learned senior was just unofficially showing, and which I've just got a minute back actually, Your Lordship. Lordship, these 13 candidates are only supposed to be provisionally admitted. Lordship, kindly see the last
That is
column.
what, if they cancel, then the waiting
Lordship,
will come to play.
what is the ground reality? And we have filed an RTI. We are awaiting a reply on that, Your Lordship. Lordship, 150 seats, but actually 163 seats have been filled up.
That has been cancelled. 13 seats have been cancelled.
Now, what is happening on the ground, Your Lordship? Those 13 admissions which were made, they are still attending classes.
Which one? Those ones?
Management
Those
quota.
who work in management quota.
Yes. As on today, 163
correct.
roll call is happening, Lordship, on the ground. I filed an RTI.
You mean to say, just 1 second, that after those, the management taken over the seats that got to be filled from the Garu quota, admissions were done. These students have been admitted, counseling over, fees accepted, correct?
Yes. Attending classes.
That means attending classes. Now those people still attending classes. Then they have to come forward. If their seats have been cancelled without their knowledge.
But what information received they're writing today, likely they are filing some case.
Yes.
That's
Lordship,
likely to file.
it's going to open up a Pandora's box, Lordship.
You do one thing, you file your affidavit.
Lordship.
Yes. Mr. SP, where's MS.R. Kolni? After behalf of the state respondents, as also the concerned college has been filed. However, Mr. S.P. Mathana, Senior Counsel for Response 6 that is Medical College, has also produced other communications which are necessary to be brought under record for an effective response made by the petitioner. He therefore prays funds allowed. You file it by next week? By take it up on Monday?
Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, in the meanwhile, those 13 seats, they have applied to NMC for approval, Lordship, which is yet to happen, Your Lordship.
It will be fun, yes.
Lordship, obliged, Lordship.
Yes, please on Monday.
Obliged, Lordship.